the giveaway to my community. So I think about my community actually first, and then the company that I want to work with. Because to create a tribe, you cannot just create a tribe and want them to listen to you. You also have to think about what can they receive from listening to you. So this is very important. Ask yourself if this is what you really want, because to get a free yarn is actually work, and it's like a service that you giving out not only to the company you want to work with, but also to your community. Today I want to share with you how to have a yarn company to send you a free yarn to crochet. But before we get into that, I also want to let you know that today I'm going to publish this. This time that you're watching this video right now, Iris Goddess Top is already published on my Etsy Ravelry pattern shop, Bovo pattern shop. If you love Ravelry, you get also a 20% discount when you sign up to my mailing list, and you get a code right into your mailbox. But if you prefer Etsy, you can just do that. Just that I only have 20% off in Ravelry. Don't ask me why, but that's your choice. And if you want to get a free pattern to enter the giveaway, just watch this video until the end. Then you will get a chance to enter to this giveaway. But for now, let's dive into these methods that I want to share with you. How can you also able to get all these yarn for free? First thing first, make sure that your social media is trustable. What that meaning that you are consistent on your social media, you have a meaningful post, intentional post, not just post the photo, but why you posting that photo for. And your photo have to be clear enough that no one want to see blurry picture, or the picture at night that you can't see anything. When you post on Instagram, I want you to treat your Instagram account or any social media, Facebook, whatever you use. I talk about Instagram because I use Instagram every single day, and Facebook also is my home to go, like my tribe are there and the place I can talk to them constantly. Instagram is more like my gallery, and to work with brand, you have to create your gallery that look good. If you just want to have an account just for fun, just to post whatever you want, then one thing. But if you really want to create your brand to be able to work with a company, then you have to really treat your Instagram as a business account. Otherwise, it won't work. So let's come back to this topic. Make your Instagram or your social media trustable, meaning that you are there consistent. Like you post something that meaningful and your work in progress, and your caption is so important. Not just post the picture, but also explain to people what the photo you posting, what that mean, what are you doing, what is your question, what you want to engage with your community. When I say post meaningful and have a good picture on your Instagram, it does not mean that you need to have like a professional photographer. You can be your own photographer. Like I take all my picture myself, and I learn everything by doing. I have a tripod, I use my phone, and when I start YouTube channel, I just use my phone to film all of my video in the first year, year and a half. I just bought a proper camera last year for my YouTube channel as my channel grows. But also, don't worry so much that everything have to be perfect, especially in social media and Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. People don't want to see perfection. Everyone want to see human, like want to see something and someone that they can relate to it. Like for example, you're watching my YouTube channel. It's not because I'm perfect, but because you can relate to me. And my English is not perfect. I said many things wrong, and I'm still here. I'm still talking to you because this is the only way I can communicate with you, because not everyone speak Thai here. So to be able to go out there and talk to you, I have to learn the second language, and English is the language that many people use. So I speak English even though it's not always correct, but I talk from my heart, and that's why you're here. So just be human and don't try to be perfect. Learn from the imperfection and learn to bring that imperfection that you have, like what you think that is not good about yourself. Look through it. This is your unique gift, and to just really let that unique gift shine. And this is actually your blessing. If you want to know and want me to talk more about this, you can also comment down below, and I will make another whole video just for that. Now let's move on. create your tribe. Why do we need to create a tribe? You are my tribe. I am your tribe. We need to create a tribe because we love to crochet. And when you love to crochet, your tribe, meaning that your tribe also love to crochet. And what can we talk in crochet tribe? It's about yarn, it's about hook, it's about project, it's about inspiration, it's about pattern, it's about everything that including hook and yarn, and also life itself. We can share our feelings, our day by, when I ask you what is your project right now, post your working in progress. When I ask this on Facebook, then people answer. This is how we can communicate. This is how we connect because we like the same thing. We can talk the same language, and the language is a yarn and a hook. So it's so important to create a tribe. And also, if you want to work with a yarn company, and if you don't have a community, if you don't have your tribe who listen to you, who take you seriously, what you say, your advice, and why would the company want to work with you? You have no one to share this opinion with. So you need to have a tribe. You need to have a community. You need to have those people who trust in you, because the yarn company expecting you to be able to share what you feel about their yarn. They're expecting you to actually talk about their yarn to your community, to your tribe, to your circle, to your social media, because your tribe, they listen to you. And for that, the yarn company will line up and want to work with you. I'm sure many of you who are watching this already have Instagram account. Most of us have Instagram account this day because we love to share our work. We want to connect with like-minded people. We want to see other people work, and we want to share with people what we do. This is how we create a community. But maybe now is the time to treat your account differently, and you can start now. It's never late to start. Today you can start, and perhaps next month you can already connect or contact the yarn company. It's never too late. Remember that your tribe love yarn as much as you do. That's why they are in your tribe. That's why they're crocheting or knitting. They do all these things because they love the same what you do, and that's why you are in the same community. And I want to share this with you. Trust is more precious than money, because you can earn money by working at any job, but trust can only be earned through honesty. So just start today, my beautiful friends, and let's create a strong foundation before you reach out to the company. There's a step by step, and you can do it because you're already doing it every single day. But now just do it with intention, and I'm sure when you put the intention, everything will come to you because you're so powerful. Our thought, our wishes, our prayer is so powerful. We just have to learn to work with it. So after you create a community, after you feel that you have a good foundation already, you can either reach out to the yarn company, or you can waiting for them to reach out to you. For me, I like both, but I also like to reach out to the yarn company because not everyone know Maya Luna Corazon. Not everyone know who I am, and it's nice to reach out to them and introduce yourself, and also to to also prepare yourself into this social media or this internet world. The more we reach out, the more we learn also, because it's not everyone going to say yes to us, and you perhaps going to get so many no, me myself included. I get so many no, and what happened to me, it just make me stronger, make my skin thicker. So just don't worry, just reach out to them. And also it's the way for you to learn to write a good proposal and learn from the email before why they say no to you. Maybe you can write it better. Take it in the way that you can learn from it, not to take it in the way that you feel hurt by it, but to just study about your business, study about each email that you receive in return. What can you improve? What can you make it better? This is the way you can learn, by doing it. And next, I want to share with you how to write your first proposal, what you can say in English, like write the email, like to form your email. You can just, take my advice and just change to what you think is good for you and fit you. I can just share with you what is work for me to write a proposal or the email to the yarn company. You have to start with introducing yourself, your name, who you are, your brand, and also including your website, your social media, and choose just the first social media that you want to send to them, choose the one that you are often there the most, the one that you have more engaging with people, the one that you like to be there, so that the company can see that you are there all the time, you are consistent, and you are connecting with your tribe, with the people who ask you questions and you dare to answer them all the time. For me, I like to send my website, my YouTube channel, and Instagram, and also Facebook group. But for me, the Facebook group is more like a private thing already later on when I have this tribe and a crochet group, crochet tribe, Maya Rina Corazon group on Facebook. It's more like my private living room, you know. I invite people after they watch my video and after they're hanging out with me for a while on Instagram, and now I invite them to my living room where we can have a tea, where we can talk about patterns, where we can talk about problems. And also when people bought a pattern or watch the video tutorial and they don't understand, they can join the group, because I'm not always on the group 24/7, but we have many members that they are there. They are not 24/7, but because of the time zone, somehow it's like a 24/7 someone there, because we are living in different part of the world. So it's good to have crochet group, but that you can have it later on. And again, if you want to learn how to create a crochet group that effective and you have a beautiful community and members that help you to grow your business, you can also comment down below and I will put up the video just for that. But now let's come back here. You're just gonna send them the website and the social media where you want them to see your work the most. Like, I would say Instagram is best for our work, because Instagram where we show our image, where we share our work, and this way people can see and interact, because we like to see what other people make. And Instagram, it's just everyone use Instagram this day. But if you prefer Facebook, just send them Facebook or whatever you prefer. This is just my advice. So after you send them all of the information about you that they need to see your work to make sure that they want to work with you, then the next thing you have to talk about, what can you bring to their company? What value that you want to bring to them? What they will get from working with you? This is very important. Many people make a mistake by mentioning at first what they want from the company. And no any company want to hear that. They want to first hear what can you bring to their company? What they will get from working with you. So you have to list down what project you want to do, how long you will take, and what kind of positive aspect or generate sale or whatever that you have in mind that would be benefit for them. You have to tell them what benefit they get from working with you. This is very, very important. And by all means, I really want you to write down right now, before you even start all of this, to ask yourself why you want to work with a yarn company besides wanting to have a free yarn and all that jazz. Because for me, to have a free yarn is a good thing. But also, I do this because I have a vision. I want to work with the company because I like to collaborate with a company that want to support me, and also this way we have each other to grow, not only in our business, but also this way I have something good for my community. Like, I can have a coupon code, for example, to share with my community, and I can organize a giveaway with a yarn company to share with my tribes. The kind of company I want to work with. I don't work with all the companies that contacted me this day. I only work with a company that I really, really want to work with them, and I know that they are open to also give the coupon code and the giveaway to my community. So I think about my community actually first, and then the company that I want to work with. Because to create a tribe, you cannot just create a tribe and want them to listen to you. You also have to think about what can they receive from listening to you. So this is very important. Ask yourself if this is what you really, really want, because to get a free yarn is actually work, and it's like a service that you giving out, not only to the company you want to work with, but also to your community. If you are in this place, this position of wanting to serve, then it's fine. It's so much fun because I love doing it, and I think this is a good way to connect, to be a medium and to be a bridge to connect the company and your family, your tribe. And it's so much fun because you have chance to try all this yarn and create beautiful things to share with people, and everyone is happy because everyone receives something in return. Okay, now we're gonna come back to the next thing. When you write to them, when you already tell them what you can bring to them, also please be clear and knowing what you want to do, what is your project, and how much yarn do you need from them. Don't be greedy. Don't tell them lots of yarn. Don't think that you're going to keep yarn for later, or this kind of thing. You have to be honest. If you be honest, they will love to work with you. If you be honest, your community becomes stronger, because people who are in your community, they feel your honesty, they feel your love, they feel your energy, and you're going to call the same kind of people to come to join this tribe and make it stronger. So tell them how much yarn do you need, and also be honest with them, be true to them that, oh, maybe you need 2 more skins to be like 2 more skin extra for this project because you're not sure if it's going to be enough. Like, just be honest with them, just talk to them what you feel, and yeah, just be human. Last but not least, do not forget to ask them the coupon code to share with your tribe, because you're doing this. Main thing is to share with your tribe. So ask them that you need a coupon code to doing this in return, because you didn't get paid to do this. Of course you get a free yarn, but normally now in this point I also get paid to do the job. Even though I get paid to do the job, I still ask for the coupon code. I still ask for the giveaway to find a way to create the giveaway. So just talk to them and say to them that it's very important for you to talk about their yarn to your community and to give your community something, because this is sharing. They will understand. They're doing the business. They know that this is important to have this discount and giveaway. Be creative. Talk to them about your idea, what kind of the giveaway you want to do, and listen to them. You can also tell them that you are open to listen to what they have to tell you, because this is a collaboration and you're working together. And this way you have already a good communication with the company, and it's kind of building the good foundation to work together in the future. And finally, I hope they say yes to work with you and send you the yarn that you want to create your next project and to share with your community. And this is really, very important. I want you to keep in mind that you need to keep your promise. You need to do what you say. You need to deliver the job, the project, as you tell them. If you say to them you need this much time, you have to be able to do that, because your word is so important. Your brand built around your reputation. What you say is your mantra. What you say is have to take it serious. You have to take yourself serious. Otherwise, no one will take you serious. No one will want to work with you if you just say something and you never do. Maybe 1 time, 2 times, but they will just never want to work with you again. This is for your own good. This is a good practice to do what you say. Don't trying to get the yarn for free and just say to them that you need just 1 week to finish the project. That is not possible. If you need 2 weeks, just tell them 2 weeks. If you need 3 weeks, just tell them 3 weeks. It's better to deliver the job before the deadline than after the deadline. Just ask for more time, and don't be afraid that you're not going to get a job, because you have to be able to do in ease, not to be hurry and stressed. It's nothing fun to be stressed. So just practice all of this. It's not only working with a company, but actually for life in general. And now come to the giveaway. Are you excited? I'm going to give 8 winners the written pattern of Iris Goddess top. The only thing you have to do is just to copy and paste this code on your Instagram, either on feed or story. I love to see it on feed actually, but if you want to do it on story, it's also fine for me. This code over here. Trust is more precious than money, because you can earn money by working at any job, but trust can only be earned through honesty. So the first is notification that I receive from Instagram from your account will get a copy of Iris Goddess written pattern. I will DM you if you are one of the winner. So I hope you get a lot of value today from this video, and if you do, click the like button, comment below if you're going to use all these methods in your crochet business. And everything else in life in general. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, so you get more video like this around the crochet, tutorial, crochet business, and many more to come to help you to create the life you want. All right, I see you next time. Mwah. Bye bye.